What if I told you that you can actually make money using Canva? And there is not just 5 or 10 ways, but 15 different ways to generate income using Canva. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So without further ado, let's actually get to the practical work and start learning. Number one on our list is to create quote videos using Canva and then upload them over at TikTok. First, let me show you this account over here at TikTok. This account almost has 21,000 followers, yet its videos are ranking with 2 million views, 1 million views, and so on. And what they did in these videos is they went to Reddit. Over here in Reddit, in this thread, you can find multiple stories. What they did is they copied these stories, then generated an AI-generated voiceover, and then converted it into a quote video. Now, why would you do that? Because TikTok offers creator rewards program where you can earn a lot if you're eligible for the account. And for that, you just have to have an account from one of these countries and you have to be 18 plus. Now, the big question is how much TikTok pays. For that, we have this article from Buffer by this great writer here. If you scroll down, all the way down, here you can see that the program offers a generous payout increase with potential earnings ranging from $4 to $8 per 1,000 views. And that's not all. The creators under the program have reported earning varying from 100 to 600 per million views, with exceeding $1,000 per million views, which means that only this video can potentially generate $2,000 for the creator. And all you have to do is copy paste. Now, how to create these videos? Let me show you that. So over here at Canva, you can search for quote mobile videos and you will find tons of templates that you can later on customize and create your very own video. Let's say I want to choose this one. So if you go and click on customize this template, it will open up the editor and here you can actually edit it, add the text that you want, add the titles and everything. And later on when you're done with this, you can go on and create your TikTok account and start posting. Number 2 on the list is to create pitch deck presentations using Canva. And here on Fiverr, you can see that people are charging a lot just to create these presentations. And Fiverr is not the only place. On Upwork, people are charging around $95 per hour to $70 per hour. You can be one of these. All you have to do is go back to Canva and here you can search for pitch deck presentations and you will see tons of options right in here. You can choose any of these templates and start customizing it. Let's say I want to go with this one. So this one has around 10 slides which you can actually customize and you can even add more slides and change the color palette as well. So I hope you get the idea and now you can actually create a pitch deck presentation within a couple of hours and start generating income just like these people or these people over here at Upwork. Next up on the list is to create brand identity kits using Canva. And it is really easy. All you have to do is search for brand identity kits and you will get tons of options to choose from. Let's go with this one and then you can actually start customizing this template. And later on, when you're done with your desired outcome, what you can do is you can head over to Fiverr and publish your gig. And here are people who are charging a lot. And this dude has over 575 orders completed. And Fiverr is not the only place you can go to. There's even Upwork, where people are charging around $40 to $37 per hour. And indeed, this method has potential. Next up is to create how-to pins using Canva. And if you search for something like how to start a garden for beginners, you can see that there are a lot of pins. So if you go to any of these pins, just like this one, and there will be a link to a blog post. So if you click on that, it will take you to the source website. And if you scroll down, there must be affiliate links down below. Just like these ones over here, these are the links to online seed stores. And you can actually earn money through these affiliate links. Now, how to create these pins? So if you go to Canva, all you have to say is how to pins and then hit enter. And here you will find a lot of templates from which you can choose and then customize and then post it over at your Pinterest and start generating money out of that affiliate business. Next up on the list is to create this and that videos using Canva. And to do that, you will have to go to the videos section of Canva. And here you can choose mobile video because this works for Instagram Reel and TikTok videos as well. So let's click on mobile video and this will get you to this page here where you can actually edit your video. You can even increase the duration of the video or you can add backgrounds just like this one. And then you can start adding a few graphic elements. Just go here and search for gift box and you will get plenty of these. So what you can do is you can add them right in here. You can adjust their size and just edit it however you want the video to be. So I hope you get the idea. But now what would this and that videos would do? If you go to YouTube, you can see that there are a lot of people who are doing this and that videos as YouTube shorts or TikTok videos and the reach is insane. This video has over 23 million views, which is a crazy number. And if we calculate how much monetized income only this video generated, is going to be a humongous number. And this is a really creative way to generate income using Canva. Next up on the list is to actually create quiz videos. And for that, what you can do is you can search for quiz videos and you will get tons of templates from which you can choose and actually work on them. So if I choose this one here, you can actually customize this template, and here you can place in the question and the options. And to actually generate these questions, what you can do is you can head over to ChatGPT and generate the quiz out of here, and here are the questions and the options. And then later on you can place these questions over here and generate your quiz video. So once you're done with your quiz video, you can head over to YouTube or TikTok, and here you can see that these videos are getting a lot of attraction. This one has 1 million views, this one has 1.6 million views. So you can actually generate monetized income using this over at YouTube and also over at TikTok. So this is quite similar to the last few. But the idea is different. Another one on a list is to create printable wall art posters. So here on Etsy, you can see that people are actually selling their designs to customers, which they can later on print and post over their walls. Now, how to do this? Over here at Canva, you can see that there are a lot of templates for wall art. Let's go with this one here. And if you scroll up and down, there are a lot of others just like this one with motivation quotes or gratitude. So all you have to do is just customize this one. And once you think that you have attained your desired outcome, you can actually go to share and select the PDF print option right in here, and then simply download and then list it over at Etsy or any other online store where they sell wall art and start making money out of that. Next one on the list is to create and sell candles. You must be wondering how we're going to create candles using Canva, but you don't have to actually create the candle. You just have to create the design for the label for the candle and then use any of the print on demand app just like Printify here, and then you can list your product over at Etsy or any other online e-commerce store. And all you need to do is just design the label, and for that you can head over to Canva. And here at Canva you can see there are tons of options available for labels, and you just need to add the text and customize it a bit. After that you can actually start generating income out of this. Did you know that there is a whole market dedicated to customizable mugs? And what you can do is you can create these custom mugs using Canva. How to do that? Well, if you head over to Canva, you can see that there are a lot of high quality mug templates, and you can even design your own mug here. So once you're done choosing your template and customizing it, you can actually head over to a print on demand website just like Printify, and here you can actually apply that design over at a few mugs and then list it over at Etsy or eBay and start selling your custom mugs and generating income out of that. Now, what else we can do using Canva is we can design our custom products just like any hoodie or t-shirts. So it's up to you which one you want to do, but these are the most commonly purchased custom products. Now, all you have to do is come back to Canva, and here you can search for t-shirt designs or hoodie design, and you will see all of these designs and templates that you can later on customize and fix on your hoodie. And then when you're done with your final output, what you can do is you can list this over at eBay or any other e-commerce store and start selling your own custom hoodies or t-shirts or any other product. Using Canva, we can actually create and sell SelfCare printables. So here on Etsy, as you can see, there are tons of different listings which are selling products like weekly meal planner, which is a SelfCare printable, or a productivity planner for ADHD. So you can pretty much make these within a couple of hours using Canva. And how to do that? Well, let's jump to Canva. And here on Canva, what you can do is you'll have to search for planner. And here you will get tons of different options. So you can choose any of these and then just go and customize it. And after you're done with that, you can go and list your product over at Etsy or any other website which actually sells SelfCare printables. So this is how you can make money out of this. Another way to make money using Canva is to actually create Pinterest list pins. What I mean by Pinterest list pins is something like this. Posts related to listing, like this 8 vegetables perfect for beginners. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and click on this. And obviously this will have a link to the source website. So I'm going to go and click on that. You can actually earn affiliate money by just redirecting the traffic from Pinterest to this website here. Or you can further do something by posting in the affiliate links of seed companies inside this blog. So that's how you can earn using Pinterest list pins, but how to create them. So here on Canva, what you have to do is you just have to write Pinterest list pins. And you will see a ton of templates from which you can choose and later on customize and then post them over at Pinterest and start generating affiliate income. Another amazing way to make money out of Canva is to create lesson slides and then go to websites like this one and be a tutor over there and start generating income out of that. What you can do is you can come over at Canva and choose any of these templates over here, just like this one here, which says that English lesson. So if we go and customize this one, you can see that it has a total of 13 slides and you can add more if you want to. Then using these slides, you can actually start teaching kids online or on site. Another amazing way to earn money using Canva is to actually start your own clothing store. For that, you will need some designs. So over here at Canva, you can see all of these designs are for t-shirts, but you can actually go and find designs for hoodies and much more. And later on, what you can do is you can head over to Printify and put on your finalized design over from Canva right in here, wherever you want it to be. And once you're done doing that, what you can do is you can sell it to any print-on-demand market, or you can sell it on any e-commerce store, just like eBay over here, and generate income out of that. Last but certainly not least, we have pattern design using Canva. What you can do is you can head over to Printify, and here you can find any product, just like this phone case or some wallpapers. So after you're done choosing your product that you're going to print your design onto, what you need to do is you need to go to Canva, and here are tons of different layouts. So let's say I want to choose this one here and just customize this layout to however you want it to be. Or if you want to completely change this layout into something like this or this, it's really up to you if you want to do that. But of course, this is for pattern designs, so we need to choose a pattern cover. Once we're done with our design and we're done with selecting our product, what we can do is we can go over to Printable, and here are a few listings for products related to pattern phone cases. So what you can do is you can enlist your design over here and start generating income out of that. And that wraps up our video for today. We've covered 15 different ways to earn money using Canva. We went from creating quiz videos to all the way to generating listing pins for Pinterest. If you found this video insightful, hit the like button, share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to SkillCup for latest updates on new cutting-edge technologies. Ring that notification bell to never miss out on our daily updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video, where we continue to curb your skills with the latest tech. Till then, stay curious and keep exploring.